morning, everybody. I am so rushed for time this morning, and that's not usually me, but I have been doing so many things and been so busy. Anyway, I've been up since early finishing this beautiful hair unit for a new client who is going to be here in just a few hours. I'm going to go ahead now and roller set this beautiful unit because I want to do something definitely different and unique with this client. And of course, with you seeing this gorgeous color, you know that this is going to be a beautiful, interesting installation and beauty makeover. So as you can see, I've got a lot to do to myself to finish this and to be ready when she gets here. Well, Crystal, are you ready for your fantastic makeover? Well, let's get started. Oh, careful, careful. Always step on the floor instead of that because it'll tip you right over, and I don't want that to happen.
Yeah, because I wouldn't sue you, though.
I'm glad you wouldn't sue me, and I don't want you to get hurt, period.
And see, when Mama used to work on Mama, she wouldn't let nobody else touch her head.
I remember.
I did not know that, well, between the medication and the grief, it just started coming out lumps by lumps by lumps. Yeah. I was in the house during the pandemic, so it didn't make too much of a difference. So I said, well, I call Miss Lola.
I'm glad you did.
Thought Mama loved coming to see you.
Okay, Crystal, let's try your unit on.
All right.
Because I have your measurements and you got everything from when you came in for your consultation. Oh, it feels, oh my goodness, it feels perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, yes, yes. This is so perfect. It already fits like a glove to her head. Mm-hmm. Even if she did not want to put anything on, it's not going anywhere. But because we want the lace to just meld to her skin, I'm going to use the even. Love it, love it, love it.
I've been wearing lashes since I was probably like 11, 12 years old.
So she is definitely the expert, and I'm going to let her put on her lashes, and then after she's done her lashes,
then you do you.
That's right. And there you have it, an expert who just put on her own lashes. Now it's my turn. I'm going to let me do the rest, okay? beautiful. Look,
you did a
oh.
lovely job.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't look this good when I got married.
You silly. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Marilyn Monroe doesn't have a thing on
Not
you.
a thing.
Not a thing on you. Let's finish this hairstyle because that is going to be the focal point as well. Crystal, what do you think of your new look?
It is gorgeous.
You are gorgeous.
But it's nice. You did the makeup fantastic. Don't you know the old lady?
Oh, ain't no old lady here. Or I did this like a Marilyn Monroe inspired because you're just so classy and you are sexy with this. Oh, everybody, I am so pleased with this look.
Thank you so much for doing such a great job.
You are
It is
so
beautiful.
welcome. It is beautiful, and you are beautiful. It has been my pleasure, Crystal. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I really appreciate it for this beautiful transformation makeover that has been my absolute pleasure. And listen, if you've not subscribed already and you like what I'm doing here on the Magic Wig Makers channel, please subscribe. Come back again. Thank you. Come back again. And most of all, hit that notification bell so that you will always know when I'm working my magic. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Crystal, let's say bye. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody. I'll see you again next time.